Secured credit cards are a unique financial tool designed for building or repairing credit. Unlike traditional credit cards, a secured card requires a cash deposit upfront. This deposit typically determines your credit limit. What is the difference between secured and unsecured cards? The primary difference lies in the security deposit. Secured cards require one, serving as collateral for the lender, while unsecured cards do not. This deposit reduces risk for the issuer, making secured cards more accessible to those with poor or no credit history. How do secured cards help build credit? Every time you make a purchase and pay it off on your secured card, this positive activity is reported to the credit bureaus. Regular, responsible use demonstrates your creditworthiness, gradually improving your credit score. It's a stepping stone towards qualifying for unsecured credit products with better terms and rewards. When choosing a secured card, it's crucial to look for features that support your credit-building journey. First, low annual fees or no fees at all. Minimize your costs while you build credit. Second, must report to all three major credit bureaus. This ensures your responsible usage is recognized. Third, the opportunity to upgrade. Some cards allow you to transition to an unsecured card after a period of responsible use, returning your deposit. Making timely payments is very important. The single most important factor in your credit score is your payment history. Always pay your bill on time, even if it's just the minimum payment. Setting up automatic payments can help you avoid missed due dates. Keeping balances low. Maintain low credit utilization, the ratio of your credit card balance to your credit limit. Experts recommend using less than 30% of your available credit. This not only aids in building your credit score, but also demonstrates to lenders that you don't rely too heavily on credit. Graduating to an unsecured card. Use your secured card as a launching pad. Many issuers review your account periodically and may offer you an unsecured card if you've consistently made timely payments and maintained low balances. Graduating to an unsecured card is a significant milestone in your credit journey, often leading to a refund of your initial deposit and access to better rates and rewards. In conclusion, a secured credit card is a powerful tool for building or rebuilding credit. By understanding how these cards work, choosing the right card for your needs, and using it responsibly, you can set the foundation for a strong credit history. With discipline and patience, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Whether that's qualifying for a mortgage, financing a car, or simply enjoying the peace of mind that comes with financial flexibility.